they look. Now we have got now 3 little girls who play every day the same game, the game with the stones or what. And how does it work? Now they take a bigger stone or what?
They leave the big stone for the other one.
Oh, the small stones they get, and they leave the big.
Yes.
The big stones for the other ones.
Yes.
I see. I understand.
Now, oh, that's the next one. Yes. If he throw the stone out of his hands, then it's game. They turn another turn for the other kill, like that. Look.
Oh, she didn't get.
Yeah.
So the next one. So it's her.
Oh.
Very good. She didn't get.
Yeah.
Good. Look at the big one. How she got the big one, yeah? Oh, she didn't get. No, it's her. Right? Okay, yeah. Let's go on. Who is? Oh, it's her. She got the big one, yeah? No, the next one. She got one? I see. All right.
Look, it's finished now.
Now it's finished.
Until now.
And who win the middle one? Yeah, because
that's the last one. Then they will take
the big one.
Front one. Oh.
She didn't get it.
Another 10 for the other girl.
She didn't get it too. Oh, it's this one. She got it.
Yeah.
Good. Very good.
And now. Bên ngoài ngay, bên ngoài ngay.
Okay. Now the game is over, more or less, yeah? The big one? Oh, they never get it. Okay.
Now they're going to count how many stones. The one that got more.
They count. No.
The one that got more is the winner.
Yeah.
What ka namin kan? What ka makuha? 1, 2, 3. What ka naman naman? What ka? Tawa mo ang ganyan. Bigay mo. What ka makuha?
And all these stones, they have. Imagine the big one, yeah?
Yes.
4, 5, 6, 11, and 12. She got 12. Now the other one, who is going to count? 2, 3, 4. Now the other one has got how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
She is 16. The other one, yeah, and her. Shit, and her, she didn't get. So we have the winner, and this is the girl in the middle.
That's right.
Oh, this is the big winner. Hello, my dear, the winner. Hello, look at here.
Atau sana kon tuwari tanahan eh.
Ayan, anak ko wari ba nanin?
Hashem do sing with the tape here. Ano ni?
Hey, he's sitting on there. Just sing a little bit. Come on, boy. He was singing so nicely.
Oh, the Hashem do sing.
I told you. Shit, I told you.
Ay, nga iki ba na?
If they are nice pictures, you will see.
Wata uwi ko ba hindi kita amin. Agad dami.
All right. Man has got water. Very good. Now this is how the people work here. So you just gave them coconut and water. Coconut, pieces of coconut. And water. It's eating the coconut and the water. It spills, you know, it spills all the water, and it wants the coconut. It wants the coconut. This is funny, eh? Very good. He doesn't want to eat or what?
Yeah. They like fish. The same as we are. We always like fish.
Oh, he likes fish. He doesn't like your stuff.
No.
Look at this. So you have put coconut, pieces of coconut. Now this is the cocoa. This is a cocoa nut leaf. And out of this she is making a mat, right?
That's right.
And she's showing how she's doing this.
This is the first they started how to make. You have to pull out the leaves, and you leave the mid ribs.
Yes?
You see?
Yes?
Abaiang. When we finish this, you can wave the mat, coconut mat.
So she has now a stick.
Yes, you leave the stick.
I see.
You don't use the stick, you throw it away.
So what did she's doing now?
Then she's going to put the two sides together and start waving.
Ah, she puts the two sides together. I see.
That's
what she's doing. Finger. Oh, she's starting again. She's doing exactly with the second one.
Yes, because you have to, if you want to make what's a coconut mat, you have to take off the two leaves.
I see.
Just like that.
Now she's got two sticks. What is she doing with the sticks?
No, no use of the stick. They
Oh,
throw
no
it away.
use.
They throw
Just
it away.
I
leaves.
see, yeah. Just the leaves. what she needs. She put now the leaves together.
Yes. Kasi kung ano mo na kanila.
One moment. This together. Let it. So this is one side of the mat. This is one side of the mat, and she's putting the other side of the mat together. Like this. I see. And this will be the center of the mat.
It will be the center of the mat.
The center of the mat. We must always say this is cocoa from coconut tree, yeah? From the coconut tree.
Coconut leaves.
Yeah. So no matter whether it's green or brown or what.
No, we must take the green one. We can't do the brown one because.
And she is putting four.
Four, two on the other side.
Two on each side. I
Yes.
see. This is quite interesting. Because you see, when they make a basket, is different, yeah.
Oh, it's different.
Yes, it's making a mat.
a mat.
They make, I think, a basket from one of these leaves, yeah?
Yeah,
From
just
one.
one,
They make a basket. Very good. So,
One.
now we have got the center of the mat,
Yes,
the center, and she is
how
how she is doing, yeah? Like this.
That's the first the beginning of how to make a coconut mat.
Interesting, isn't it? She works. This is the beginning. So she just puts all four together,
Yes, so four together.
and she makes it so,
So fast, eh?
yeah, so fast you can make it.
Yan ang biyang nababagdaan niya. Natawan, walang nagaligyan.
And this is the end, or what? What is she doing with
Then
the end?
end the back one.
Oh,
Then it will start to make it start.
why did she put these two ends together?
I wanted to put it the same as it is. She doesn't want to do what? To untighten.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Alon ngari kanan. Alon ngari kanan. Tete, bilang ko panam. Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's okay.
Teka nga, kapay pa kadiki.
Now she starts with the work.
Gawa mo na ko na ngalo yang ana. To ban ba siya. Ani ne ri ko na mo yang. Oh, you should say that she can do it within 15 minutes.
Within 15 minutes she can do one mat.
Yes.
Incredible. I mean, she doesn't need to do it now, but she's fast, isn't she? Huh?
Yeah, smart.
Look at this here.
Smart girl to make a.
Oh, look at this. Now you see already one side of the mat. If she makes let's say a little bit to show the people this is nice here.
Ako tala din mo na, tala rin. Ako dete. Babang nanin ako kasi na.
You know, you say you must excuse me. I need her hands. You know, this is what is important. Her face, I took her face too, but I do it afterwards. You know,
Yeah.
because the hands are very important. What she is doing with her hands. You see.
Ako turo may bugin na may. Ako liga dami.
Now this is we must always stress that this is a coconut mat, what she is doing.
That's right, that's a coconut mat.
And these coconut mats, you can use it as a window, right? You use it as a window.
No, it's different
I've seen.
kind. It's different kind of the mats we used for windows. We use this one for on the floor of our house.
For the floor. This is a mat for the floor. I
Yes.
see. Oh, lovely. It looks really lovely.
Kata ka baka mo.
Look how fast she works, huh? Now many people understand the system, how she's doing it. Because if you show it correctly, how she's doing this, then you can understand it much better.
What do you mean when on the
Yes, the
slower?
system.
Yeah.
No, she's alright. Maybe one she should do very slow, that people can see it better. This is fast. Now she makes slow, huh?
Slow, she makes slow now because
She's not making slow. She's making fast all the time.
it's making slow now. Some of the women can do faster than this one.
Anyhow, I understood the system already. It's very good how she is doing this. Anyhow, now she has done a small portion, as we see already, but we are not going to continue all, because otherwise it takes too long time.
Yes. Ikaw mo ang anere kita.
Maybe the other side. And
Of course, you start making now the other side, and you see.
yeah, just a little bit that we see that it turns out a mat. See how the middle portion of the mat is looking like, yeah? It's incredible, very good work, yes? Very good. Okay. She had already done another part of the mat, and as we can see, she is continuing. She is making first one side of the mat, right?
That's right.
And we can
She
see
already
here,
make the side down. Now she's going to make it the other side.
this is the end of the mat,
Yeah, that's the end of the mat.
and she has done just one side,
side.
as I see. Now she's going on with the other side. And one of these mats will be good for how long?
It can be last about 3 or 4 months.
3 or 4 months it can last. Very good. Thank you for the girl or mother making the mat. Korab here is holding. What is he holding? He's holding a small coconut bag. Now to make this coconut bag, we show you now how it works. Now It's all right. Now, this woman, no, she made already a coconut mat. She is going to show us how to make this coconut basket. Now she's having this
coconut leaves.
coconut leaf, and the size of the basket, of course, depends on the size, how the coconut leaf, how long you take it, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Or tell something, Elias. Well, the size depends on the length of the coconut leaf, right?
Yes, depends upon what you want. If you want to make big basket, you can take a long leaf like this.
Okay. Now she's working. Come on. Now you start. She starts, huh? She's working again. She's always doing this. Taking this off again. And she uses it. Which part does she use it? She uses this part. I see. The smaller one. She takes and she makes a basket. Okay. She sits down. Maybe it's better. Just taking. See how she makes. Yes. It's almost the same system like she makes a mat, but just with one leaf, right? With the mat it was with 4 leaves, yeah?
Yeah, we use 4
Now how
leaves.
many kilo would, let's say, carry this small bag? Maybe 10 kilo?
Maybe 5 or 6 kilo. Because
5 or
this
6
one is
kilo.
not a big one. It's a small
This is a
one.
small one, what she's doing, as I see. Now, she has done, she's putting those all together. Putting those all together. It's funny how it works here. Every second, yeah, she takes. Like with the coconut mat, it was the same system, but only with 1 leaf here, and with the coconut mat there were 4 leaves. So to make takes a couple of minutes, yeah? Maybe 5 minutes. She puts this together. These are the handles or what?
No, just the bottom side.
See, this is.
This is how to join the 2 ends.
He is joining the 2 ends.
Kara gini nang yo kon yo ngoteten yo. Pun kakak lagi aku telat kayak ngulur nang. Ah, yan da yaram. Ah, lagi.
Antay garam.
What did she say now?
They say what's your name?
York. Yerk.
Yo.
Yerk.
Cái đi yang quê.
Can you say Yerk? Yerk?
York.
Not York. Yerk.
Yeah.
Nobody can say it. Don't worry, not even the Americans or the British or the New Zealanders or the Australians can say it.
York.
So still the bottom is left, as I see. She's almost finished. Now she's making the bottom, right?
Yes, she's making the bottom now and
almost finished.
No.
She's putting this together. And she's making a big knot. A big knot? For the handle or what?
no, just to hold for a while.
Oh, that it holds. That it gives a certain shape. Almost finished. Almost finished. She's making now the strong bottom. Is it the bottom or is it the handle?
No, this is the bottom.
Bottom.
The bottom of the basket.
Yes. Must be stronger. Oh shit.
You see the knot?
Yes.
And tighten again.
Now this is the last portion she's doing, right?
Now there's almost the last one now.
Almost. And she must put the knot again. What is she doing with this?
It's going to the last one.
Oh, I see. So the coconut bag, as I've seen so many, on the transportation. Everybody takes a coconut mat, bag with him, a bag to carry anything. Carry breadfruit, coconuts. What else do they carry? Anything, yeah?
Anything, fish,
As a fish,
food inside.
food inside, mainly food.
Yeah, mainly food. When we go out in the bush and when we come back home, we collect.
So
our food
they just make it on the spot, yeah?
yeah, on the spot.
When they collect the food, they made these mats on the spot.
That's right. There's a lot of bamboo
Yeah.
leaves in the bush.
Yes,
We don't have to take one from our home.
yes. So she is almost ready now.
Completed now.
Very good, this girl, huh?
Yeah.
Much ability of her fingers. As we can see, the coconut bag is almost finished. Lovely.
You see now, it's already
It's already completed.
completed.
What is she doing with the end?
Oh, she just put the entire knot out the end.
Oh. Lovely. She has done it, yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Can she show the whole bag? Can she show the whole bag? Yeah, very good, yes.
Look inside.
Lovely. Lovely.
Sometimes.
What is her name again?
The name of, and then, what's the name of it? The girl. The basket.
No, no, what is her name? Her name?
And then.
Na is making coconut mat, not coconut but pandanus mats, which last much longer than the coconut mats, a couple of years or even 10 or 20 years if you take care. Now we walk over there and have a look in this hut what she is doing. Here in the hut, and Elias, what do you wanted to say? This is the material, this is the pandanus material, they use it, okay? And where do they get it?
First of all, they have the.
Can you talk into the microphone? Because you better stand up, I think. I don't know, otherwise we don't hear you anymore. Okay, Elias? Just say something.
Doing the push and cut the leaves, pandanus leaves from the push. And
Yeah.
after that, they try under the sun for.
The one who fall down, who fall down or what?
No, the ones still the green ones. You know,
Are the green ones?
yeah. And they
Then-
twist again.
What do they do with the green ones?
They try under the sun.
How long?
For
They dry it under the sun, how long?
just for 2 or 3 days.
Just 2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
And then?
When it's dried, they put it under the just like this, as you can see now.
Yes.
And they make it like that.
Yeah, okay. And then they take it like this.
Yeah.
And this lovely girl, she is doing what? She's just making a roll.
Doing a roll of bumper like this, you can see.
A bend roll.
Oh, no, no,
Uh-huh.
just like
Yeah,
that.
but the size doesn't change. Normally a leaf is. Oh, and they make big bend rolls like this.
A bundle like that.
I see. And from this bend rolls, how long is one?
Oh, it's just stay like this and until the time you want it to
They
start.
just take leaf by leaf, right? They don't attach it or what?
Now they're done at that then. Leaves by leaves.
Okay. Bang this. Bang, bang. Yeah, okay. Why? Why she must do it? Why she must do it?
She'll make it soften.
Ah, to make it softer. That the material becomes softer. I see. Oh, this is a bang material. Ooh. And how many times she must,
No, it depends when they feel it's soft, okay, they can
when she
stop it.
thinks is soft? Okay, lovely. Now this was the second step,
The
right?
second step, yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay.
And
And with this instrument, one moment, you must hold it. With this instrument, yeah, she is making 4 leaves of maps. Out of one, yeah, how she's doing it. Lovely. Like this. Yeah. She's... It's okay, now she can make it fast. It's okay, everybody understood. Yes. Yeah, it's good. Oh, she put the leaves in this, as I see. This goes into this. Ah, this is how it works. Ah, understood now. She's making another one? She's making another one? That we see? Okay. Okay. This is okay. We have understood this. Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. This, I think this is... Yeah, she can make another one, it doesn't matter, yeah? She makes... Because if she makes it like this, she makes it faster, right? She makes it faster. Okay. To watch the most important woman who is taking these little pandanus, cutted leaves, and puts it together and makes a mat out of it. This is not so easy, eh? This is a long work, isn't it? Much work, eh? Look what a... Oh, it's a miniature work. I see it very correctly. It's good. Can see very nicely how she works. Now she has done... And how long she needs to make one mat? I think weeks, huh?
No, 2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks. To one mat. What size?
It depends about 5 feet long. And
5 feet long is 1.50 meters. Yeah.
2.5 feet wide.
2.5 feet, which is a half a meter. Yeah, 2.5 or 80 centimeters. I see. This is it's very interesting how she's making this. She's always measuring 1 palm, yeah, 1 palm of her hand, and then she goes on. It's really interesting. Yerk, not York. Yerk. Yes. This is a... Yes. But as you said, this mat is much more durable than the coconut mat.
That's right.
It can last how long?
Oh, about 7 to 10 years if you.
7 to 10 years.
But if you give it well, it can last for nearly 20 years.
Even up to 20 years if you take well care of it. But normally the coconut mat only a couple of months, right?
A couple of months.
And this many, many years. Yeah, she measures again. Right. And what do you think, my dear friend? The camera shows energy again. I tell you, this is getting mad with this energy here. That mat is looking like when it is finished, it looks like this. Yeah. Let's say this mat, this small mat, she needed how long to make? Can you ask her?
A week, you know.
A week.
Or 5 days.
5 days or a week she needed?
Yep.
I see.
Yeah.
Yes, lovely. Yeah, because she is working very hard on the mat. She's working very hard on the mat. It's not so easy, eh? Yes. Very good. Very lovely. It's a hard work, isn't it? Huh? Yes. Still working. Poor woman, she works 2-3 weeks. She works every day how many hours on this?
Maybe 2 hours a day.
But then she must be very tired, because it's very tiring, I think.
No, because she got a lot of wax in the home. This is not the only job she must do for one day.
I see. She always measures, yeah, and then the same game goes on again. Same game. Same game. All right. We have seen now. Elias, what is this girl doing?
She's doing what the husk for the string.
Oh. The husk for the string, we forgot last time. Now, she's taking this is the husk, and she's hammering on it.
Yeah.
And why is she doing this? She should do it now. And why is she hammering on this?
To make it softer before they dry out under the sun.
Oh, this before they dry it out to the sun. And how long does it take to dry?
Or maybe just one day.
Maybe 1 day. And this is just before they do the string, right?
Yes.
And then they take each piece. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Then they make so. Yeah, these were the little strings they took out. You remember? Yeah, I remember. This is just from the coconut husk, right?
Yeah, from the coconut.
Yeah. Yes, and it's quite a big work, isn't it? Yeah. All right. That was all. Thank you very much. Oh, as I see, she's putting some water there to make it a little bit more.
Now she put out the water from, because this one is they just dig it from the lagoon side. Just some water is.
They put the husk first
in the ocean side.
In the ocean side, in the water.
In the water.
For a couple of
weeks.
For a couple of weeks, and then afterwards they do it. Oh, you must tell this. How do I know? And then afterwards they hammer like this, and then they dry it again. I see now how it works. I understood. And why they put it in the sea?
To soften the husk, because when they just take out from the coconut, the fruit,
To make it very soft.
to make it like that. You see?
Uh-huh.
Soft now.
And when it comes out from the ocean or from the sea, it's already soft, right?
Yes.
And these are the pieces which came out from the ocean, like these. They just left it in the ocean. So this is full of ocean water, salty water. I see now. All right, she's taking this, and then she is rinsing it out, and it's soft already. Yeah, it is already soft.
It's already soft.
Yeah, it's funny. And then she starts again the same procedure to beat. And when she beat it, it gets more softened, right?
Yeah.
And the water comes out.
Yeah.
And like this, when it is beaten, they dry it again a couple of days. And then it is ready for the strings,
Yeah.
right, to be made. Oh, now I understand. See? Very good. This is very good. Okay. Thank you very much. Kuraba. It's alright, she says. Yeah, it's good. You say again, it's alright? Say again, it's alright?
Did I?
We are on the way down south, and we are Elias and me on his motorcycle. And Elias, how many kilometers will be down this direction? More or less 10 kilometers or what?
From here now, it's about 8 or 7 kilometers to the very end of the Visala.
8 or 7?
Yes.
Oh, because we have done already 5.
Already did another 6.
I see. All right, then we have a look. Now this is the direction, and this is the main road, which goes from the southern tip till the northern tip, around 24 kilometers.
We are in Tepanganao village.
Panganao village.
Tepanganao.
This is very close to the south. And now we
Yeah.
see these women making a huge coconut mat. Is it right?
That's right.
Coconut mat. But this
Yes.
is a huge coconut mat for the maneaba, for the meeting place. Right?
That's okay. Yeah, that's
Look
right.
at her,
You are
yes.
right
Look at
indeed.
her, yes.
Kunanin eh. Ako tala ada kayo ngulatan. Heng. Sige dia man.
Making a picture of her. Yes. And the other one, what are they doing behind?
Oh, they just the rest, a little rest after doing
Take a rest.
Kalau tala ada kayo ngulatan niyo.
Say something, little girl.
Kuna kumayan. Kada tay.
Yeah, good. I'm fine.
Kain ni yang ge.
What did you say? I didn't quite understand.
Say where do you come from?
What is Seman? Seman.
Salmon, yeah.
Saman. Germany. From Germany. Oh, as we see. Now this is a huge mat. Maybe how many? Ooh, this is till the end. Maybe she has done already 10 meters. Can we say?
Yeah, maybe about that, yeah.
10 meters already. It's huge, isn't it? Okay, thank you very much. Huh? Terio. Well, Teria. What was? Don't mention it.
Kuraba.
No, Karaba and Babai or Taro. And They are making some flour out of it, yeah? He's peeling? He's peeling it,
Yes.
the man?
That's right, they're peeling it.
The man is peeling it. And what are the others doing? They just rib it on,
It's clean up.
yeah? To make something like a flour. Yeah? And this flour, you make what out of it?
We make some sort of food in the, when we cook it with water and give us a good delicious food.
Oh, very good. I see. Now we've got everything. Okay. We've got of the island. There are all these lovely kids playing. I'll have a look. From, let's say, from this wonderful Kiribati boat. Is the owner. Down to the whole lagoon. Down to the whole lagoon. Finding a little bit. And as I said, we are at the tip of the lagoon. The southern part. That's alright. It's alright. Lovely, lovely. Just walk by. Doesn't matter. Walk by. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Walk by. Shit, what's the matter? Yeah, thank you. Lovely. Yes. Now this is a house. They're funny. What have they done with this house? Yeah, they have used shells or what? What did they use over there?
For the darkness, wood.
Yes, but why is it so colored?
All they painted with
Oh, they painted. This looks lovely, isn't it? Huh? Anyhow, yeah. Oh, hello. Hello. Everybody is holding a flower. Now the sails are going out, as we see. Say something. Moraba. Moraba. Now these two fishers are preparing themselves to go out for fishing. Probably setting their sails. That's what they are doing. They are just setting their sails. Oh, lovely. Off they are going. See, they're putting taking off the anchor. Pushing themselves off the ground. Off because they are quite fast. Children, where are you? Where are the children? In front of the camera. Camera. we are here at my favorite place of the beach, and we see how nice it is. They don't need it, just they should do something. It doesn't matter. And I remember walking up how many times this beach. This is maybe 150 meters from our place, right? And this is now getting high tide, right? Elias, isn't it getting high tide or what?
Yes, it's getting high tide now.
And normally I'm quite alone. There's just now the family of Elias here because we need some background. This is, of course, this is clear. And Elias, how do you find this place? It's lovely, isn't it?
Of course, it's lovely.
Yeah. Just go around a little bit. And as we see, this is getting high tide. The waves over there, they're quite strong. This is the game what they always do here, yeah? The girls. I see. And the women, what are they doing? Where's your wife? Oh, your wife is here, yeah? She is. Lovely, isn't it? Yeah, it's lovely. Lovely, this is the other part. This is a new dancing or what is it? Elias, what is it? A new dancing or what?
Yes, that's for the Kiribati, former player for our club.
Yes, I
great
see.
grandfather.
I must see the face of your wife, yeah? He doesn't like to look here. You are giving big orders, yeah? I see. Lovely, yes. When there is nobody, you might see me in. Take now this thatched roof of this hut, yeah?
Yes.
This is looking from outside? Oh, it's looking already. How many layers have you got? Maybe 15, yeah?
15, yeah.
Yeah, something like this. Okay, we have now a close look how they do this. This is a... And now say something. Now she is taking maybe you see how many 50 or 100 for one layer, right?
Yes, something like that.
I see. Okay. She found something? This is the first step.
Yes.
The first, let's say, the first step is collecting the dried pandanus leaf. This is how they. This is the third step. Is it right?
That's right.
Now they take one. What do
leaf.
they take? No, one stick. Yeah.
A stick here
And the stick is out of what? Out of coconut tree.
that's to make rich from the coconut leaves.
Yeah.
Ako malang, check the man nga. Dahil nakalagyan ba mo?
Wag yung ba dahil dong morong mo. Dere ya. Andaray.
Are they working together or
No, they one by one. They
one by one?
Yeah.
Each is doing one stick,
One stick and the other
and
one.
putting them together.
Yeah.
Dere kami dono.
She's doing like this.
Iya ngayon na yung makuri gitu best ya. Iya
Ako
ako.
nila mga wala, yan ako na ina.
Bari daga sa awal.
I see.
Ya dia bari. Isa tini na ada wanana.
And now
Ano rin kayo panibas na ibigina.
she's making a hole. I see.
Maria, kadang rawa
And then she is putting what? What inside?
We go the sister to make a risk from the plant families.
Oh,
No,
the
coconut.
middle. From the coconut.
Coconut.
I see. She's putting this just in these holes she is making.
Ya mama kita wana korere.
Yeah, usang tuwa lang
Yes.
Kaya kasi ginoon.
Kaya nga rin buwang na, open the door.
Eh pun bahas mo min ko me. Pwede nga ni ko to no. Pwede ko ang kay din ni tawiro. Hindi tawiro.
Look at your wife. She is so fast, and the other one.
She can do faster than the other two.
Yeah. Now, let's see this one. Ah, I see. Exactly the same. And this.
Kali yang dia jamin apa yang anda mesti. Anda ni jangan kali dia amunyang oke kan ama. Gini gini lu apa yang ada? Jadi gini aku permisi kan tadi. Aku yang buat ni. Ya kan ikannya jadi.
The concentrated phases
Iya. Mana ada bagian?
of the girls working very concentrated, much concentration.
Jangan werok dengan cakap-cakapan na gawe. Ang buwan mo yan ang uragi, anami no. Pero pera ta kam daw. Isiray. Ay, ang minos yan na lang.
She has done already one, yeah?
Yes.
And where is it? Where is it? The one she has done.
Throw it away. Kept it behind it.
Oh,
Ang wala doon na dito.
anybody showing the one she has done?
Bil. Alis yan.
They're all watching her. Keep watching. Is he showing? Is any one? Let me see one. She must show. She must show. Tell her she must show. Oh, this is the one. I see. Now this is one of these layers. And for one side of the roof we have got 15, right? And to make a whole roof, how many do we need? 30, 40 or what?
No, maybe after the 50 or 200.
Layers like this.
That's right.
150 layers like this.
Yes, if the house is not too big. If the big house is more, maybe 200 or
I see.
It depends to the size.
Very good, yes. At least the half. She has done the half. It's alright, nobody can be the fastest, right? And she okay, I think this will be alright. Still the last stitch. The last stitch. The last stitch. Okay. They have done within a couple of days, right? For your new home, huh?
That's right.
Okay. Yes, lovely. Yes. So many. Say something, Chief of the village.
Oh yeah, the good that's we make some more for our new home.
Yes, I hope.
We can complete this our home within 1 more week.
I hope next time when I come in the middle of the island, and there is a memorial saying that the first missionary, Dr. Hiram Bingham, was he Belgian? Where was he?
Oh, American.
American. Bingham. He landed here on 18th November 1857. And what does it say in underneath? That this 1957, that means 100 years later, they commemorated or what?
That's right.
Because he landed here and turned these people into Christian life. They were probably wild people, right?
That's right.
Uh-huh. So this is how we... Uh-huh. So I see. And this is the island of Teirio, yeah, right over there?
Yeah, that's right. The Teirio Wachea.
Let me see. And these, huh?
You can't see from this side.
We can't see from here. Islands from here. We are very close to, I mean, not far away from Teirio, isn't it? See, maybe 1 kilometer, huh? Just go around again. Yeah. There are 5 islands to build this village, 1912. Here's 62.
Yes.
50 years they needed.
It's just to build the monument after 50 years.
Oh, after 50 years to commemorate. I see. And this is very nice Maneaba. You see how it's built of these wonderful Maneabas. Wonderful shape as we see here. The standing is done in done with coral stones. This is probably the Kiribati shape, isn't it? Yeah? Because not every maneava is done like this. This is the typical maneava shape. You should say something. Yeah. It's lovely place. Hello, look. Yeah, lovely look. She has lovely eyes. And this one, yeah, is a little bit bigger, huh? This is funny. I know. I tell you, sometimes it records and sometimes it doesn't. You know. And now it's recording. Just recording now. Imagine. Anyhow, we are here at your hut, the last day, and this is in the evening around almost 7 o'clock, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
That's right. It was now 7 o'clock.
Almost 7 o'clock. And this is we see lovely colors. Yes. And the island over there, you see the island again. Is it recording? Can you look? Is it recording? Off again? All right. Just wanted to picture this lovely sunset, and
The lights off. It's recording and when it's off.
of course it's recording when it's off. We have the island Teirio again for the last time. Lovely. 5 islands. We're going over. Teirio. And see the whole sky a little bit, because it's nice and red, right? Huh? Till the end of the lagoon. Now here starts again. This is the most southern part